Hey everybody, and another pack opening, Lightning Overdrive. This is the third one, and I'm hoping to have enough cards in this to actually make a deck from Lightning Overdrive. So, here we go. I know there's a few cards I'd like to get. See what I get. Yu-Gi-Oh cards can be... I can't open it. There we go. The Yu-Gi-Oh addiction can be okay. Well, got another Brothers, and just gotta shove that there. Another one of those. Actually, not the one I wanted. There is a trap card I want to get. Scrap Raptor. Got lots of those. And another one of those. Sun Ballon, Daphne, Plant. I suppose that's good if you got to make a plant deck. Well, this is good for warrior monsters. Tribute one warrior monster, then target one card on the field, destroy it, and if you do, draw one card. Yeah, I don't have that one, but I'm definitely going to put that into the deck. Put that in the front. And got another tuner. Need some tuners. That's the second one of that. Pyro. 4. The other Bugini. I love the artwork. It's an interesting art. And Sunvine. So, I mean, if you have like already a lot of plant stuff, there is some good plant support in this. I think this is one of the cards I wanted. Fukubuki. Each player shuffles their decks and excavates the top card of their deck, and the excavated card with the higher attack to the player's hand. Also, send the card with the lower attack to the player's graveyard. Spell, traps, and monsters. Spells, traps, and monsters with... I think that's a 7 attack? Are treated as 0. Oh, with are treated as 0. One tied. Place these cards on the bottoms of the decks. So I guess if it's the same amount of attack, you put them both on the bottom of the deck. It's an interesting one. 4 more packs. 3 minutes. Don't want to go too much on this. So I have trouble with opening packs. There. Yeah. Another Brothers. Well, this is definitely going to help my Sprinnigan's deck. Apparently that's an Xyz monster, so I'm going to have to try and find if I can find the Xyz monsters on the Sprinnigans. And I do got more of these cards, so this one's 23 attack, you know, so it's like, I may make a eye deck, Igniter. Made you one of those. And got another one of those. Fiend. Oh, Dogmatic. Bingo. Dogmatic. And ZW. I don't think I have an Xyz yet. So, it's definitely going to go with the extra deck. Dragonic Hellbird. I'm just going to shove that there. And Basil Rose Shoot. I I think I only got 2 Rose Dragons in this one. And I got this card again. I did not get too much Amaze attraction cards. You know, monster cards. Definitely got a lot of spell and trap cards. But, I don't know. May have to, like, maybe I can use them. I don't know. And you and I got tons of those. Again, those can probably be added to my Igniter deck, so I'll take a look at that. Speaking of Igniters, here's another one. Yeah, it's 23 attack, 0 defense. S-Force, Machine. I am working on a machine deck, but and it's a light machine, so there is a trap card that goes with light machines. And Fairy Seal, I don't think I have that one. Fairy cards are kind of neat. The artwork of fairies are always good. I got that one again. And Zexal Construction. Well, I do have like ZS cards in this. I don't know. Let's take a look. I already got 3 of those. That's gonna be in the deck definitely, because that's gonna have to be the boss monster. Unfortunately, I think that's the only rock in there, because this deck is best if if it's played in a rock deck, you know. And World Soul, I will probably end up using, because I think I got a playset of these. I mean, it's not like it's only 1200, but I don't know. Screams, I got tons of Screams of the Band. And Zexal Entrust, I got some of those too. So, how's that Loki doing? You know, it's, I just saw it. I think it was like episode 2. See again, Amaze. I get tons of those spell and trap cards, but no monster cards. I really should make a separate video on Loki. I haven't done that yet. I was going to do that on the first one, but now it's the second one, and I haven't made the video yet, so I'm going to have to. How you like that bug in your bed? Well, at least these are 1700s. I'm definitely going to do high on the attack. This looks like Majestus. You know, I do have Majestus cards. I don't know if I've got enough to make a deck. So I think I got a place out of those. Maybe it's going to be a fairy. Spranigan's Booty. You and I. And, oh shoot, 1 pack left. And 9 minutes. There you go. I meet you. You know, maybe I will build that Igniter deck just so I can use, you know, some of these eye cards. I think I may be using this card. Reptile Water Monster. You know the brothers? Hey, the Brothers Grimm, man. I wonder what that's. I should look and see what that's, you know, what that story is with that. Whoops. And Judgment of the Band. See, these band cards are for Xyz monsters. And these could be good for the Sprenigan's XC deck. And, well, at least I got a Mysterion, the Dragon Crown. At least I got a Spellcaster. I love Spellcasters. And I love this one, Fusion. It just says one Spellcaster monster and one dragon. It doesn't say anything about polymerization. I gotta like relook at the rules for fusion, because I know there's contact fusion now. I do have the spell card. I do have polymerization and different polymerization cards. I think I may be using this card. And again, another one of those. Again, if you have a rock deck, you really want to do that. ZS, I think I'll probably be using, this is Sage. I forget what the other one was. Yeah, but I think the other one's a higher attack. I have to take a look at that one. I think I do have a place at both of those other ones. It's just you and I. So that is it. Oh, okay. Well, I definitely got over 40 cards, and I'm just gonna make a deck. So the next video you see will be the deck. And oh, that's a ZW card. Keep dueling, stay creative, and get your game on. Peace.